Mama wakwaba midin ede ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Any NPP phobi and omo ekase almost some omo kind a simple message crown almost send them NPP phone penfono omo say 2024 mo person mo opposition na breaking the 8 na mo kan emba so dia e honorable Quayson na say mo court no mo ye no kokwasa isan say mo ye ba ko ntina mo nja no opposition mo be kwa na be phone NPP for say NDC for e de honorable Sakande boko MP ni dia ene ase of MP honorable Quayson onye ni pension no mo ma na mbra ni ndi anya sa NPP fu ina be ko adwen ba ku na 2024 wa to beneti am na chine bi we hu sese na wiasete ntia ne Ghana fo America a wo chese 2024 de mo mpa mo asema sorry mo mpa mo asema honorable Quayson mo nya na mo fa ntum esa 2024 mo ko position bi am aka se be mo wa yentie sema Ghana fo ana se NPP fo e de etija
o ma e fam ya mama ha ne dia ni basa kama Italy kombo da ma se da bia bre bia mo me kwa me kire adwena ko platform so na me de asema me ka kire MPP na nado ene attorney general ene se mo pese o mo ko opposition 2024 a o mo de o mu ntia NDC fo asem no mo nyai ya Quayson manifa ne hundi moment o mu ja ma no manifa ne hundi ya che se MPP ko opposition direct adenti na se mo tena ba mu mai ko gitumi na mo tena hono ma chachuchi kata okọ 13 attorney general e wo court se wo no ba obejeli no na wo tena ho ama na ba ansa na wa ba bejeli pa wan ye de mamu ye.
Good afternoon, man. FM Mama son for Nana Kwame of Pasco in Samomeke in 2024. Mr. Delegate, some bet tie honorable Kennedy Japan as supremo. Na the policy ode bano etimi abem na boa NPP na boa Omangana. Na me did say delegate yes Omangana be fan from a paper.
Oh, my family never knew because I feel okay. I Ghana for a bomb and a very chabaso. You know, for my Ghana mine. Not a best Ghana for say Ghana free. Woman will feel much you. Woman will free. Do so a best say Munuma. And near my bonny and this for a Ghana for more for propaganda. And my dad won't joke on your Mahama buy. And your man and I do it when you move back cry. Do so next cover chama a him for. And of the talk, mamma, like you between your way Ghana for me. And the Ghana for my school free. Nursing trainer allowance, teacher trainers allowance. In Yuma or ye near my says or crocran. Ghana for, my now. And this is for the do so, no, the regular Ghana for, moving from which that. The way check for one you China MPP a few weeks.
O man Cassiabo, Cassia Bonio, Midi Yesu Adum. Me kasa free ko membre me say me sre ani before ese anyefo say me sre mo omma honorable Ken ekwan na ometu franka ama party no gidi say yang pa dum ti ni yehu no me boa akumdi ebeye enyina ye dia
o mai no se mo mo ne adwuma no kura kase e premier issue ka chefe na 20 nya 50 glass yo Martin say best you are be champion. Say eye akwasi ho akwan no. The best run. Akwasi ho for make market say 99% eye MPP. Onu asu ni. You are be champion. E di nyame di esrew. Gana be ku kuta wo akwan no so my wife.
Mam good afternoon. Ya oboa think the film wo man from. Me fa kun yin sma kai Ghana for MPP delegate say. Honorable Kendo Japan e wo west of Ogusu a born into a campaign 2024. If a two Abba, a demand of my president or Ghana. Let's say Ghana for some Kai say, Papa na Ghana for ma, a coca Lebanon. I will miss as a way this and I will be no far or modern bag Ghana. Papa Pano, and I all team for Ghana for say Yentoba Manu. Papa na, we in the bottom sika, medical sick confront cancer treatment plant or confront Kumaseno. Papa Pano, or not all team for say Yentoba Manu. Papa no in the bottom sika. Medical sit down 37 second for my uncle Kodia upon dinner. Operating friend say, Yentoba man.
Ma call me Casafi, I would to Aishaku, a wow to Senya West. Yes, MPP before supporters and say, Obi nya botare ma party no. Na party no wo nyama papa omo ye. Na ni sifukro omo ni nyama papa bia kro omo do omo ho. Na
yeah, that's no voice note out by the time sent and a far honka. Yeah, that one more papa.
Domaini came in and said a lot of things about this issue. And what he said was very irresponsible. You are a judge of the High Court, where this man is standing trial. You know the law. You know that when you speak in one way or the other, you are going to prejudice a certain issue. But he still came out and said, free the man. After all, the people voted him and are seen not. If he's in prison, how is he going to be able to fight for the people? Listen, if he is in prison, how would he be able to represent his people in parliament? Please underline that. If he is in prison, how would he be able to represent the people of Asin North as their MP? But during the election, they were told, the people of Asin North, that this is a man who is a potential prison candidate. He's potential. He could go, he couldn't go, but a lot of them said, oh, even if he goes to prison, he's the one we still want as our MP. So they made their choice. Why cry? Again, 2. Jackie Quayson, my brother, my sister, is a man who himself has decided to be dishonest. Twice already, as said by Alote Jacobs. And presently, as it stands, he is even preaching dual citizenship in Ghana. Are you aware? He is on the spree of preaching. Oh, dual citizenship is good. In fact, we are going to try and change the law so that more dual citizenship holders can be part of Ghanaian politics because they have experience and they have to come and help Ghana. Hey, one single thing Ghana needs right now is not money. It's not oil. It's not gold. It is what is called patriotism. If he goes to jail, how is he going to represent the people of Asin North? But that is what the NDC MPs are doing in parliament. Do you know what they are doing in parliament? Anytime Jackie Quayson is going to court for his perjury case, they all vacate the parliament house. They leave it. They boycott it. They don't care about the people they are representing now. They are going to one man, according to them, to show solidarity. Come here. That is what it is. That is what they do. Now, dude, are they thinking about the people? They say solidarity for another person, to KCL, forcing, and Jackie Quayson. Because of that, they leave the parliament and then they go, all of them, to go and sit in the court. Because of 1 or 2 people, literally 1 or 2 people, the whole of the constituencies controlled by the NDC can go to hell.
Blackpot. Coco show.
This is the black pot we only criticize to build and not to destroy. My brother, my sister, let's go straight into action. Now, the very first thing I want to look at is entitled Ungrateful Stomach Journalist Paul Adum Ochre at it again. Oh my God, this might sound harsh, but let us take it easy and watch it. At the end of this, let us all come together as judges. Yes, pocket lawyers, and be able to argue it together. Who is Paul Adum Ochre? He's a quite handsome guy that I love, very eloquent and quite brilliant. I love him. Oh my God, have mercy. This is Paul Adum Ochre. Oh my God. The last time I checked, he was struggling to pass his law exams. I don't know if he's done that yet, but if he has, congratulations. If he hasn't, more hope, more hope, more hope. You have what it takes, brethren. Now, Paul Adum Ochre is a journalist, and he's supposed to also be a lawyer, as you were told. And when he's on radio or TV, he creates a whole lot of excitement around him. In fact, he is well behaved. In fact, let me say he was well behaved until recently when he went gaga. I don't know what is really happening, but let's not be prejudicial in this.